Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Maldives to reopen for Indian tourists from July 15. Details here. The Maldives on Tuesday announced that it will open its borders to South Asian countries from July 15. President Ibrahim Mohamed Sohli announced his government's decision but also added that situation will be reviewed periodically between July 1 to 15 in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. This comes as a huge relief for Indians who have been waiting to travel abroad. South Asian countries include India. The Ministry of Tourism in May said in a tweet that the only prerequisite will be to have a negative RT-PCR test. Maldives will restart issuing of an arrival tourist visa starting July 15 to tourists traveling from South Asia. Tourists need a negative PCR result to enter Maldives. Further details will follow accordingly. The tweet reads. Meanwhile, tour operators have already started inviting tourists from India, though to its calling it a trip to adventure. The Maldives economy is heavily dependent on the tourism and it has been waiting for the situation to ease so it can restart business. Even during the early stages of the second wave, Maldives was almost the last destination to close its borders to tourism given that it has taken a huge economic hit due to the pandemic. India Today TV has sought further details of the process of applications and means and methods to travel to the Maldives from their foreign ministry and awaits a response. Google tells Parliament IT panel that its employees listen to some OK Google queries. During deposition before the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology on the need to safeguard citizens' rights, global tech giant Google representative, according to sources on Tuesday, admitted that Google employees listen to private recordings of customer conversation via Google Assistant. Panel sources stated that Google admitted that its employees listen when users with Google Assistant on their phones and smart speakers say OK Google to kickstart a conversation with the assistant powered by artificial intelligence. In a sitting of the parliamentary panel facing a specific question from BJP MP and Godda said in Jharkhand, Nishikant Dubey, sources said Google team admitted that sometimes users were not even calling up the virtual assistant. Users' conversation were recorded. Google, however, added that sensitive information was not here and it was only general conversation which was recorded. Google, however, is said to have provided no clarification on how it differentiated between sensitive and non-sensitive information. This, according to members of the panel, is being considered a serious breach of user privacy and the final report of the Standing Committee headed by Lok Sabha MP Shashi Tharoor would be making recommendation to the government on it. The panel firmly conveyed to the representatives of the social media platforms that they need to plug the loopholes in their existing data protections and privacy policy mechanism and install stringent safeguards to protect the data privacy and data security of Indian users. Members of the panel said the admission by Google explains why lakhs of users right after asking Google Assistant about hotels in a city start getting messages on their accounts on different platforms about deals and other offers. In Delhi, 5 COVID patients at Ganga Ram Hospital suffer rectal bleeding due to CMV infection, one dies. 5 COVID-19 patients at a leading private facility here have suffered from cytomegalovirus-related rectal bleeding during the second wave of the pandemic. The hospital authorities said on Tuesday and claimed that it was being reported for the first time in immunocompetent persons. These patients reported at the facility 20 to 30 days after the diagnosis of COVID doctors at the Sir Gangaram Hospital said. Until now, it affected only the immunocompromised patients, post transplant cancer, AIDS, etc. But this is the first time in India that cases of CMV related rectal bleeding in COVID 19 immunocompetent patients have been reported, a spokesperson of the hospital said. According to the Professor Anil Arora, Chairman, Institute of Liver Gastroenterology and Pancreatocbiliary Sciences at the hospital during the second wave of the pandemic in April-May, we have seen cases of the CMV infection in otherwise immunocompetent patients with COVID-19. These patients presented with pain in the abdomen and bleeding during stool discharge. None of them had other predisposing immunosuppressed states accounting for these viral infections, he said. Two of them had massive bleeding, one requiring emergency life-saving surgery in the form of the removal of the right side of the colon, while one of them succumbed due to the massive bleeding and several COVID-19 chest disease, the hospital said. A post-COVID patient, 55-year-old man, come as an OPD patient to the surgical department of the hospital with a 4-day history of bleeding in the rectum, along with painful defecation for the last 12 days, the hospital authorities said. Bodies of 5 missing teens may exhumed from 10-foot deep pit, 6 arrested. Skeletons of 5 persons of a family who were missing since May 13 were exhumed from an agriculture field in Madhya Pradesh, Dewas district on Tuesday. All 5 were murdered by strangulation and dumped in a 10-foot deep pit that was dug in advance. Police had to employ a JCB machine to dig out the bodies. Mamta Baika's age 45, her daughters Rupali age 21 and Divya age 14, along with relatives Pooja Oswal age 15 and Pawan Oswal age 14, had gone missing from their home in Nemawar town, and a report was also filed, after which an investigation was launched to trace them, said Additional Superintendent of Police Suryakant Sharma. 6 people have been arrested in connection with the case.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.